MrBeast gives away millions in insane challenges, but his real game isn't about giving, it's about a hidden life challenge that 99% of people lose before they even turn 30. And you're playing it right now, whether you know it or not. From the moment you're born, you are entered into a financial game with secret rules. Rules designed to make the elite rich and keep you in the last to leave the circle challenge of poverty. Jimmy figured out how to win his games, but the question is, can you win this one? Challenge 1. The income trap. Most people believe that hard work is the path to wealth. It's not. It's the path to being busy. You are currently trading your most valuable, non-renewable asset, your time, for a currency that is being printed into oblivion. The system wants you to stay in the salary circle until you run out of energy and years. In the game of wealth, if you are trading hours for dollars, you have already lost. This isn't a career. It's a 40-year subsistence challenge. Challenge 2. The debt maze. MrBeast builds insane sets that cost millions. The banks build insane debt structures that cost you your freedom. You win the high-limit credit card. You win the car loan. You win the 30-year mortgage. And suddenly, you are shackled to an interest payment that lasts longer than your ambition. You aren't building a life, you are building the bank's balance sheet. This is the last one to own nothing challenge, and the crowd is cheering while you lose. Challenge 3. The Inflation Gauntlet. This is the silent killer. In a MrBeast video, the timer is visible on the screen. In your life, the timer is your purchasing power, and it's ticking down every single day. Every time a central bank prints another trillion, the value of your hard work is diluted. You are running a race where the finish line moves 10 feet back for every step you take. Can you find an escape hatch before the buzzer sounds on your retirement? To win the life challenge, you have to stop playing by the 90% rules. MrBeast wins by understanding leverage and taking asymmetric bets. You win by doing the same. Rule 1. Stop trading time for debt. Rule 2. Move your energy into assets the system cannot print, like Bitcoin. Rule 3. Understand the math that the mainstream ignores. There are 8 billion people and only 21 million coins. It is the only escape from a mathematically insolvent system. The timer is ticking. You can stay in the circle and be exit liquidity for the banks, or you can learn the rules and win your freedom. This isn't a game show, it's your reality. Subscribe to ThematrixUK if you are ready to stop gambling and start winning. The choice is yours. Choose wisely.